Hi there, welcome back. So today I will show you these plants and these. So these flowers are growing roadside. As you can see, these are the leftover water bubble cans. I tiered them like that and planted these flowering plants. As you can see here. And these are green brinjals actually. You can see. So we reused these painting buckets and as well as these are actual water cans, right? So whenever they got damaged, so we used to reuse them to plant, you know, some veggies and some flower plants or something like that. As you can see, all these are brinjals. We are growing roadside itself. As you can see here, this is the shop and roadside we are building. And see here, brinjals, and here as well. So many brinjals, so many flowers. I hope you like this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.